Friends, in this tutorial we will learn a simple exercise in how to draw and sketch extrude in SolidEdge. Now first of all we analyze these drawings. Now these drawings have is a dimension 75 mm by 52 mm, and now height is 40 plus 9 mm thickness. So first of all we start from the bottom of drawing's bottom end. So let's draw the square which is a 52 by 75. Now start with the solid edge, select this rectangle and now lock this plane from here. Select the F3 and lock. Now our plane is locked, so here F3, this plane is locked. Now draw from here, select the top and draw the square from origin, now which is the 70 all by 52. Now here 75 by 52. So select it, so draw the 75, the dimension 75, okay, and this one is a 52, okay. Now finish this sketch. Escape is unlock this plane and now select from your extrude and select left click, now right click and move upward or downward. Here the both symmetric options are selected, so unselect this one and now move the downward, which is a 9 mm. Enter the value 9.0 mm. Now you can see here the 9 mm thickness, 52 by 75. Now in drawing you can see here from 9 mm to 40 mm one center line, and now this one is a half thickness circles. Now inner radius is 50 mm and outer radius is 50 plus 8 mm. Now draw the center line at a 40 mm. Now select this front plane, select the line and lock this plane. Now our plane is locked, so select the front line and draw the line. Now escape and exit next sketch. Now select this one is a reference line from here. Now draw, give the dimension from here, select this point to this line which is a 40 mm. Now select from your half circle, center arc, select this center, select from now second arc from here to here, and now take a smart dimension and give the radius 50 mm and this circle radius 50 plus 8 mm. Now select the line, close this sketch, close this sketch, line close sketch. Now you can see change the color. Now another one is middle rib 9 mm thickness. So select the rectangle and draw here 2-point rectangle. Draw the rectangle. Take a smart dimension 9.0 and middle one. So from origin, half from origin, half from origin, 4, 5. Now trim the section. Select trim here and delete the sketch, and now make your unite this. Control M. Now finish the sketch. Select the extrude command from here. Select left click, now right click and extrude. Now here select this extrude symmetric. Now extrude symmetric, and now enter 52. Now enter the value 52.0. Enter 52.0. Now draw these ribs, both the sides same ribs, 8 mm ribs. So draw this rib is middle plane. So select the middle front plane. Now select the line lock front plane, front. Now here the tangent. So select from here to this point. This point, this one. Now select the arc. Click by arc center. There are no arc center is selected, so select 3-point arc. And now this point. Finish the sketch. Escape. Now you can see our sketch is closed. Now select from your extrude. Select this, right click, and now extrude both sides. Enter the value is 8 mm. Now enter 8.08 mm and enter. Finish this one. Now select this protrusion from here, and now select here, which is a mirror. So select the mirror about this plane. Select the right plane. Mirror is generated. can see here. Now change the view. X hide the plane, hide the dimension, hide the page reference. Now now view, select part painter, select from here 10 violet, colors, glass. Now close it. Now our exercise is done. Job is done. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel.